Okra health benefits, uses, side effects, and nutritional facts. Okra, often referred to as lady's finger, is a green vegetable commonly used in cooking across various cuisines, particularly in southern and African dishes. Its distinctive texture and mildly grassy flavor make it a versatile ingredient in many savory recipes. In addition to its unique flavor, okra offers numerous health benefits due to its impressive nutritional profile. Health benefits of okra: 1. Rich in nutrients, as the okra is a calorie vegetable that is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and magnesium. These nutrients play vital roles in immune function, bone health, and blood clotting. 2. Supports digestive health. Okra is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promote digestive health by improving bowel regularity and preventing constipation. The mucilage in okra helps soothe the digestive tract and supports smooth digestion. 3. Regulates blood sugar levels. Okra contains soluble fiber and antioxidants that help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial food for individuals with diabetes or those at risk. The fiber in okra slows down sugar absorption, preventing blood sugar spikes. 4. Promotes heart health. Okra is rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress and lower the risk of heart disease. The fiber and potassium in okra help lower cholesterol levels and support healthy blood pressure. 5. Boosts immunity. The high vitamin C content in okra boosts the immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells, which fight off infections and disease. Okra also has antibacterial and antiviral properties. 6. Supports weight loss. Okra is low in calories and high in fiber, making it an ideal food for weight management. The fiber helps you feel full longer, reducing overeating and promoting weight loss. 7. Improves skin health. The vitamin C in okra helps in collagen production, supporting healthy, glowing skin. The antioxidants in okra also protect the skin from damage caused by environmental factors, preventing premature aging. 8. Supports healthy pregnancy. Okra is an excellent source of folate, an essential nutrient for women during pregnancy. Folate supports the development of the baby's brain and spine and prevents birth defects. Uses of okra: 1. Culinary uses: fried okra, a popular southern dish. Fried okra is battered and deep fried, providing a crunchy snack or side dish. Stews and gumbo. Okra is a key ingredient in gumbo, a flavorful stew popular in Creole and Cajun cuisine. Stir fries and roasted dishes. Okra can be stir fried with other vegetables or roasted with olive oil, garlic, and seasoning for a simple and healthy side dish. Okra soup: in many African and Middle Eastern cuisines, okra is used to make hearty, thick soups. Pickled okra. Okra can also be pickled for preservation, adding a tangy flavor to salads and appetizers. 2. Medicinal uses. Okra has been traditionally used in herbal medicine for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to soothe sore throats and digestive issues. Okra extract has been studied for potential to lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Side effects of okra: 1. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some individuals may experience allergic reactions to okra, including skin rashes, itching, or difficulty breathing. If you have known allergies to other members of the Mawasi family, such as hibiscus, it's best to avoid okra. 2. Oxalate content. Okra contains oxalates, which in large quantities can contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. People with a history of kidney stones should consume okra in moderation. 3. Digestive discomfort. Okra's high fiber content may cause bloating or gas in some people, especially if consumed in large amounts or if you are not used to a high fiber diet. 4. Blood sugar lowering effects. While okra can help regulate blood sugar, individuals on diabetes medication should monitor blood sugar levels closely when consuming large quantities of okra, as it may lower blood sugar levels too much. Nutritional facts of okra. The nutritional content of raw okra per 100 grams includes calories 33, protein 2.0 grams, zoophane 2, carbohydrate as 7.5 grams, and fiber 3.2 grams vitamin C, 3% of the daily value is DV, vitamin K, 26% of the DV, folate, 15% of the DV, potassium, 299 mg, magnesium, 40 mg. Okra is also a good source of vitamin A, calcium, and iron, providing a range of important nutrients that support overall health. Conclusion: okra is a highly nutritious vegetable with numerous health benefits, including supporting heart health, boosting immunity, regulating blood sugar, and promoting digestive health. Its versatility in the kitchen makes it easy to incorporate into a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to fried snacks and pickles. While generally safe for most people, it is important to be mindful of any potential allergies or digestive issues. Incorporating okra into your diet is a delicious way to enhance your health with its rich array of nutrients and beneficial properties. Don't forget to subscribe to the Balanced Medicine channel, like the video, share it, and leave your opinion in the comments section.